how to create a Brainly account in 2021. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video, so let's get started right away. Now first of all, you can just go to brainly.com or download the app. It doesn't really matter, and right here you can click on join for free. So if you click on that, you can either just create an account with Google, Apple or Facebook, or just enter your email and do all of that separately. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to fill in an email right now. Once you've done that, you can just click on sign up, and then here you gotta select if you're a student or a parent. I'm a student, and then right here, fill in a username, your age, your country, your password, and then also where did you hear about Brainly? I'm just gonna select other, and then just click on create account. And once you're here, you can either start a free trial or just go with ads. I'm just going to continue with ads. And right here, you can see that this is my Brainly account. And that's about it. That's how you can create a Brainly account. It's as easy as that. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. And I'll see you next time. Have a good day.